Does the current smartphone market feel a little stale to you? Every other phone looks exactly the same, features the same boring specs. But what if I told you that a legend is waking up? And this time, they aren't just coming back to play, they are coming to take back the throne. Yes, folks, we are talking about Nokia. The brand that was once the definition of trust. After years of silence, Nokia is rumored to be returning with a monster of a phone, and the leaked specs are making the entire tech world lose its mind. So, buckle up and get ready to dive into the Nokia Xtreme 4 Pro 5G. Believe me, when you hear these features, your jaw is going to drop. Let's get into it. Design and display. First up, let's talk looks. Imagine a phone that turns heads the second you pull it out of your pocket. According to the leaks, the Nokia Xtreme 4 Pro is rocking a massive 6.85-inch QHD Plus Super AMOLED display. But here's the kicker, the smoothness. We're talking about a 144Hz super smooth refresh rate. That means whether you're gaming or scrolling, every tap and swipe responds so fast, it's like the phone is reading your mind. And security, forget those old school buttons. This beast is packing an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor. One tap on the glass, and boom, you're in. Camera setup. But guys, this is the real reason you clicked on this video. The camera. You might want to sit down for this one. Rumors suggest the Nokia Xtreme 4 Pro will feature a 250-megapixel quad camera setup on the back. You heard that right, 250 megapixels. This isn't just a mobile camera, it's basically a powerful digital telescope in your pocket. Whether you're shooting landscapes in broad daylight, or trying to see the craters on the moon at night, this camera captures details as if you were standing right there. And for my selfie lovers, don't worry. You're getting a massive 50-megapixel front shooter. That means every selfie is Instagram ready straight out of the camera, no editing needed. Performance. Now, you're probably thinking, with specs this heavy, can the phone actually handle it? Well, word on the street is that the Nokia Xtreme 4 Pro will be powered by Qualcomm's newest beast, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. It's expected to ship with an optimized version of Android 16. What does that mean for you? No lag. No stutter. Whether you are editing 4K video for hours or crushing heavy games, this phone won't even break a sweat. Battery backup. But to run all of this, you need juice, right? Nokia has got that covered. Rumors point to a massive 8900 mAh battery pack hidden inside this chassis. That is absolutely insane. We are talking about 2 to 3 days of battery life on normal usage. You can literally say goodbye to wall hugging. And if you do manage to kill it, the box is rumored to include a 100-watt fast charger that will bring this beast back to life in minutes. Price and launch date. Now for the million-dollar question, the price. With specs this wild, you'd expect it to cost a fortune. However, leaks and experts suggest Nokia is positioning this as a true flagship killer. The estimated price for the USA market is landing somewhere between $750 to $800. If that turns out to be true, this will be the most dangerous phone in that price bracket, period. As for the launch, Nokia hasn't made an official announcement yet, but tech insiders believe we could see the Nokia Xtreme 4 Pro 5G hitting the markets by the end of this year, late 2026.